Hi, good morning, and welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, January the 7th. My name is Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, January the 13th. This week's video is entitled New Year's Resolution, possibly plural, resolutions, maybe. Okay, let's just get right into it. It is a great week. I'm feeling the energy is like we got through the hectic holiday season. We're picking up the pieces and we're getting back into our balance and our routine for the new year. There are no really hard aspects this week. It's wonderful. We do have a couple of trines that I'm going to talk to us about. And we do have one energy shift. On Saturday, January the 13th, Mercury goes into Capricorn. So that's the big news. Actually, I have bigger news. I want to make sure I talk about this. I forgot to talk about it last week, and I want to make sure I mention it. This is for the year. Pluto has been in Capricorn. It went into Aquarius for just a couple of months, April, May of last year. Then because it's retrograde, it went back into Capricorn where it stayed, and it is right now. Pluto is going to move into Aquarius at the end of this month. Pluto will stay in Aquarius until 2044. Pluto is all about transformation, destruction, power, sexuality. So what the main energy that I see for the year ahead, we're moving from the energy of institutions and government. We're moving into the energy of the people. In the next 44 years, or to 2044, the people are going to show their power. We are going to come forth and take back our power. Because with Aquarius and Pluto going into Aquarius, Aquarius is all about, it's all about technology too, right? Technology is going to grow exponentially. We're going to see AI trying to take more control of our personal lives. And I believe that we will finally say, no more. Watch for that up until 2044. This is a major energy shift, almost as major as the 2,500-year cycle energy shift that we are currently moving through, moving out of Pisces also into Aquarius. So the Aquarian energy is the energy of the future. We're going to be talking more and more about it as we move along, but I want to make sure we know Pluto, transformation, destruction, moving into Aquarius, the power of the people and technology and service. So watch the energy as it moves and shifts from Pisces to Aquarius. I mean, that in itself is represented by all the chaos and upheaval that we are experiencing in the world. As we leave Pisces, we have to deal with all the unresolved Pisces issues. That is what's happening now. A lot has to do with authority. A lot has to do with the government involvement. So watch that as we move forward. But let's get back to this week. This week is not quite so intense. Like I said, we have trines today and tomorrow. it's lazy days, right? We're kind of in our heads thinking about what we want to do for the future, possibly reviewing our New Year's resolution. Um, and oh golly, I forgot because we have a new moon coming up in Capricorn. Um, so we have that going on Sunday and Monday. We're just kind of thinking about it, getting our thoughts in order, maybe a plan for the year ahead. Not very productive. But once we hit Tuesday through the rest of the week, it's going to be productive as all heck. We have trine energies. Trine is a relationship between planets that is 120 degrees. It's a wonderful, flowing, easy energy. The problem with the trine is that if we don't grasp onto the opportunity, then it will just go right by us and we'll miss it completely. The trine does not knock on our door and say, "Hi, I have something special for you." Unlike the square comes knocking on your door and looks, "Hey, we got confrontation right here." No, the trine is just like, we have these opportunities. If we're paying attention, we can take advantage of them this week. All right, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, great time for collaboration at work, brainstorming, vision boards. On Thursday, we have the new moon in Capricorn, hence the title of this video. New Year's resolutions. This is the perfect time on Thursday to start with new habits that are going to bring us a healthier, more productive 2024. The new moon in Capricorn on Thursday, the 11th, is a great time to start implementing those steps. What habits, what good, healthy habits are we going to start this year so that we can become healthy and happier and work towards our goal? We're thinking about that Sunday and Monday. On Thursday, we should be ready to implement some plan. Is it a healthy diet? Is it a nutritional plan? Is it going to the gym? Is it making sure that we get our daily meditation in? Are we making sure that we take time out for self? Are we being of service to others without expecting anything in return? These are all questions that will set us up for that new moon in Capricorn on Thursday so that we can start implementing all of these wonderful ideas and plans to help manifest our best life. Thursday night is also a great date night. So we've got Venus in a nice trine on Thursday. So it's a great time to express ourselves. It's also a great time, have the antenna up, possible new relationship coming in on Thursday, but it's a wonderful trine. So it's a great time for a new relation to get started off, date night, just get to know each other. It's a good time for that as we begin on anew with the new moon in Capricorn as well on Thursday. Friday, back at work, oh my gosh, we have an incredible connection between Mars and Capricorn trining Jupiter and Taurus. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Maybe something at work comes to fruition and we receive the accolades from it. Maybe we get a new job or some new job presents itself, opportunity that just really rings our chimes. It's like we have the Midas touch. Nothing can go wrong on Friday as long as we are coming from love, abundance, and gratitude, okay? But it's a great day. Maybe start our own business on Friday. It's a great time and we will receive acknowledgement or work or something's going to come to a fruition or maybe an investment pays off. Good news on Friday. On Saturday, Mercury moves into Capricorn while the moon is in Aquarius. So it gives us the opportunity to really communicate in a practical, in an effective, grounded way. It's a good date night because the moon in Pisces is sextiling that Mercury in Capricorn. So we are able to communicate our deep feelings for each other, and the other will appreciate it and return the same. So on Saturday night, if we're with our significant other, even if we're socializing with friends and family, make sure we express how much the other means to us. They will understand and they will be so appreciative for it. So, great week ahead. It's like a timeout, it's like a little breather, it's like getting our ducks in a row as we begin to work with this new year where we're working toward manifesting our best life. And we're going to start with being productive at work and in the home, getting our shit done. And then on Thursday, with that new moon, we're going to implement some new habits that will make us healthier and happier and will contribute to our best life. Possible date on Thursday night. It's a good date night. Very good connections there. Friday, pay dirt at work or at home, but mostly at work I see it. Something comes to fruition, we get acknowledgement, we get a raise, new job, promotion, something. Saturday, a great night to be with friends, family, our partner, and express our feelings. And like I said, the communication is there. We'll be able to express how we feel in a grounded, practical manner. And it won't be la, 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 but it will be practical and it will be so appreciated by the other. So have a great week ahead. Get those New Year's resolutions written down and get ready to go with them. We're going to start the week like we always do by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Then we'll say our Sun and Capricorn affirmation. Let's take our first deep cleansing breath. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the toxicity, all the negativity. We all see it flowing out of our bodies, just flowing away to wherever it came from. In its place, we're being filled with this beautiful light made up of white light, love, and goodwill. We can see it as triangles as it fills our entire body with these beautiful triangles. Not only does it fill our body, but it's protecting us. It's deflecting all that evil, low vibration, all that toxicity back to its source. Disclaimer here, if that toxicity and negativity is us, it'll come back to us. So be conscious. While we're in this state of space of white light connected with our higher self, we will say our Sun in Capricorn affirmation. I work to make my outer life a reflection of my inner life relationship with my higher self and my spiritual growth. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation together. I work to make my outer world a reflection of my inner world relationship with my higher self and my spiritual growth. Good, good. And as I'm thinking about that affirmation, it's a perfect affirmation for our Thursday Capricorn new moon, is it not? So keep that affirmation in our back pockets and use it. It will help us manifest the life that we dream of, the life that we want. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. There you can see my daily inspirational messages, my whimsical, weird memes, and please consider the message of the Soul Sister channel that we create our reality, whether consciously or not, and we are responsible for our own reality. So let's create the life we want consciously. And once we all begin to consciously create the life we want, we will begin to experience peace on earth, no lie. Make it a great week. I hope we come up with some good New Year's resolutions that we can stick to and that will help us continue to grow. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel: life is lived from the inside out. Have a great week and get to those New Year's resolutions. Namaste.